today we're gonna be doing a nice barbecue style chicken wing marinate that I'm gonna be showing you guys. We're gonna take a break from the ice cream because oh my god, I have to finish those first. So let's start off with the chicken marinade. So it's very easy, basic, and it's really delicious. Okay, we've been doing this for many years. I'm just tinkering a little bit to make it more flavorful because you know my mom doesn't know how to cook really like flavorfully. So I'm gonna be showing you a much better version. Okay, so let's go.
Alright, let's start off this recipe really simple, okay? So first off, you're gonna gather 4 garlics, but since my garlics are a little bit big, I'm only gathering 3, okay? But if you want more of a garlic taste, then go ahead and get 5 or 6. But if you don't like garlic, then you don't have to add at all, okay? You don't have to follow my recipe as accordingly, okay? This is just like a guideline. You cook how you want it to taste. So just peel the garlics first, and then we're gonna rough chop them. They don't have to be super minced, but you know, it's up to you, okay? I don't want mine super small, so I'm making it rough, okay? Alright, after you're done chopping your garlic, just put it aside in like a small bowl and let's start off our sauce. Okay, so first off, you're gonna want to get 1/3 of a cup of light soy sauce and measure it out in a liquid measuring cup. And then afterwards, we're gonna add some dark soy sauce. After you have poured your light soy sauce into a bowl, now we're gonna measure a 1/4 cup of dark soy sauce. Okay, now we're gonna add a lemon to our marinade. So we're just gonna cut the lemon in half and juice half the lemon into our sauce, and then cut the other half into slices and put it in while we marinate the chicken. Now we're gonna add the garlic that we chopped up before into the marinade and just give it a quick stir and make sure you don't leave any behind. Alright, now we're gonna add a little drop of sesame oil. Around a 1/4 teaspoon is pretty much it. Alright, now just give it a little bit of a whisk and also add a 1/4 cup of mirin in it, which is optional. Okay, now it's time to clean and cut the chicken. So it's really basic. So just look at what I'm doing. I'm just scoring the meat and making sure that it gets even cook time, and it's gonna be easier for it to basically cook on the grill because you don't want to be eating raw chicken, okay? So you just want to be doing like the armpit area and then the wing, and then you want to just do 2 slices to the drumstick or just 1 long one, okay? So just do that to all your chickens. Now this is a 26 chicken wing recipe, so if you don't have this much, just split the recipe in half basically. Alright, after you pour your sauce in, you want to just basically stir the chicken around and basically make sure the sauce is in every single area. And just give the lemon a quick squeeze and then, you know, just toss them in. Alright, now here comes a secret, curry powder. We are gonna add 3 tablespoons of curry powder on top of the chicken and just basically rub in the curry powder in every single area. The soy sauce basically served as the glue for the curry powder, so it sticks nice and, you know, firm onto the chicken. And just make sure you get it in every nook and cranny. Alright, now we're just gonna add a little bit of salt on top and then give it another quick stir if you want. And we're just gonna basically put this in the fridge for up to 8 hours to overnight. Well, overnight is of course better flavor. Oh, and piece of advice, make sure your container is laid flat down so one side doesn't get more flavor than the other. Okay, after you're done cleaning the grill, we're gonna start grilling our chicken. So first off, we're just gonna apply a thin layer of oil onto our grill, and then we're gonna place as many wings as we can fit above the charcoal, not where there's cold spots, because it won't cook then. So we're just gonna place them on there. We're gonna put them around the medium height, and then we're just gonna cook for 4 minutes covered, and then 4 minutes uncovered, and then flip it over. Alright, so my chicken has been cooking uncovered for around 3 minutes. I'm just gonna brush some oil on top of it because it's about to flip over, and we don't want it to stick on the grill. So now we're gonna flip it over, and look at those char marks. They are beautiful. Now cover your grill after you're done flipping them, and set a timer for 4 minutes, and then I'll see you back when it's time to open the grill. Alright, our 4 minutes is done. I'm opening up the grill now. And basically, I'm just flipping over the chicken and see which chicken wings didn't get as much heat as the others. I'm just rearranging things so basically everything cooks even at the end. Okay, our 4 minutes is done, and now it's time to see if the chicken wings are done. Basically, you want to just choose one with a really big drumstick, and we're just going to cut into it and see if the meat is done or not. If it's not done, then cover it and leave it cooking for another minute or two. But if it is, then remove all the chicken wings before it overcooks. And now it's time to taste test. Alright guys, here is our dish now. So look how beautiful this is. Get the nice curry flavor. Soy sauce really like complements the sweetness to it. Overall, 8 out of 10. Not bad. The citrus in it, definitely pairs well with the soy sauce. Rice. This is definitely like a rice dish. Beautiful. Nice and juicy. And delicious. Well, that is it for it today. Be sure to stick around for more recipes and amazing videos. Goodbye.